Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Growing Orchids in Jamaica. Today, guys, you wouldn't imagine where I am. I am out in Sandy Bay, Clarendon in Jamaica, where I am visiting a plant nursery. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe so you see just how I grow orchids in Jamaica. This plant nursery is operated by Marsha. So follow back on me as I tour this beautiful plant nursery. Welcome back, guys. I am showing you just what Marsha has here. This is an area where she has her Vanda orchids. They are not in bloom, but they are beautiful nevertheless, and guys, they are for sale. That's even the most important part. Look at these are her strap leaf vandas, and they are just so awesome. She doesn't have a lot in bloom, however, you can find nice beautiful plants right here in Sandy Bay. This is one of her Vanda orchids that is in bloom, and just look how beautiful it is, guys. Oh my god, this is just so nice, so beautiful, so lush, and so awesome. I do not see the ID, but it is indeed a beautiful one, guys. Just look at them. So can you imagine what they will look like in a few months from now when they are all in bloom? So come down, guys, and see what you can get from her. She's trying this new concept also, guys, where she is mounting some of them on different medium. Here are our dendrobium orchids. Oh, how beautiful they are. Oh my god, yes, guys, they are healthy looking. A lot of them are not in bloom, but they are just so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yes, look at that. Oh yes, this is one that is in bloom, guys, and this is just to show you what some of them are going to look like when they are in blooms. The dendrobium orchids are really taking back their place, guys, and persons are just yearning for them. So if you want dendrobium orchids to buy, just come on down to Sandy Bay where Marsha has her orchid nursery. I'm gonna put her number in the description box below, so you will definitely know how to get in touch with her. Here are some others now. There are a mixture of orchids right here. There are encyclia orchids, you have Broughtonia orchids, and just different types. This one seemed to be the BLC Lawrence Brock. Isn't that a beautiful one? Yes, it is. And this orchid blooms right through the year and just knows how to put on a splendid show. All right, just look at that. These are some other dendrobium orchids that are just doing their thing. Yes, guys, I am sure you are just as excited as I am and would want to come down and see what Marsha has in store in her plant nursery. Here are some of the dendrobium orchids that she has there. Yes, guys, just look at how beautiful they are. And in the background, you see where she has some other strap-leaf Vanda orchids. And they are all for sale. Yes. Just look at her arrangement. Just look at this dendrobium orchid, guys. It has on 2 sprays and it is just so beautiful. Look at how lush it is. Look at how beautiful it is. And behind that you will see some other plants, dendrobium and otherwise. Some of them I'm not even sure what they're called. One thing for sure though, most of them are not necessarily labeled, and I'm sure she's working on that right now to ensure that. Look at this one. Let me just show you from another angle how beautiful this one is. Look at that. Oh, this seemed to be the nature of this plant, guys, because in my previous video Sharon had one just like this, and this was the kind of show that it actually put on. Isn't that gorgeous? Yes, it is. All right, just looking at them again from another angle. This is one of her Bratonia cross, and it is just so beautiful, guys. Yes, it is. She uses up all her space, and they are just so nicely laid out and just so beautiful. Look. That one seemed to be a Brassavolia and some other Bratonia crosses. Yes, just how beautiful they are. I am enjoying this visit, guys, and of course, you know, I can't come here without leaving with a few. Of course. Look at this other one. This is an Encyclia and it is awesome, awesome, awesome. She has them in different types of pots. She has them in clay pots. She has them in plastic pots. She has them in translucent pots, and they are just really beautiful. One other thing we need to understand though, in Sandy Bay is really warm. It's a very warm area, and so she grows them mostly under shade mesh. And if you just look here alongside her orchids, there are also aglaonemias and other plants, indoor plants that you can incorporate. So therefore, once you come down, you will find something here, guys. This is a Spatophyllum plant. Alongside those are some anthuriums. Yes, and these are some baby anthuriums. Anthuriums tend to like the cooler areas, but she has them under 75% mesh, and so they are doing beautifully for her. And they are also for sale, guys. Yes, so this is what Marsha has to offer. She has other types of orchids, she has other types of plants, and most of them are available for sale. Look at this coconut tree in the background there. Look what she's doing with it. She's actually mounting a few plants on it, so you can just imagine what's that gonna look like when it becomes established. Yes, of course, it is nice to support our small growers, and I encourage you guys to come down and support her. If you don't know how to find her, I'm sure she'll figure out a way to get the plants to you. These are some more of her anthurium plants that she has here. Yes. I am sure you will not regret visiting Marsha's nursery here out in Sandy Bay. Some more aglaonemia, different colors and so forth. Yes, guys, looky here. She has fish ponds. She also grows ornamental fish. So her nursery is complemented by these ornamental fish as well. Just look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Yes. So she is really trying to set up a nice thing here, guys. And I just want her to get the kind of support, because you know, as plant growers, anywhere the plants are, we find it, and we just like to know that we support each other. So I want you to come down and support Marsha at her nursery. Yes, guys, so it's not plant alone that she has here. She also has incorporated with the plants some fish, and of course this is where she has them. How beautiful, how nice. So when you come, you just prepare, and you know that you will just have a wonderful time visiting her nursery right here. Look at this idea. She repurposes the tires and use them to just set up a nice area with her anthurium plants, which forms just such a nice little area, and to know that you're reusing the tires. There again, her mango tree. I am sure she's not able to pick any mango from this tree, because when you look in it, it has orchids all over it. Yes. This is another setup with their Sansevieria plants and cacti and different things. But look here, guys, look what is also in Marsha's nursery. She also has birds. The birds are not for sale right now, but she is gonna get there at some point. But isn't it nice when you have a nice garden or a nice nursery and it is incorporated with so many different things? So look at it now, guys, from another angle. Look at this. Is a Myrmecattleya plant that she has here blooming. Yes, guys, isn't that beautiful? And of course her dendrobium orchids, different colors, different sizes, different shapes, and just different types of orchids you can get here at this nursery. We don't have a lot of these nurseries here in Jamaica, so when you find one, you get so excited and you just want to buy and buy and buy. And I'm sure you can't come here and leave without something, because there is something here for everyone. And this is a new nursery that she's setting up at her home in Sandy Bay, Clarendon. I'm gonna put her number into the description box, so if persons are interested in reaching out to her, you may do so, because I am sure something is here for every plant lover, whether it is an orchid, whether it's a crown of thorn, aglaonema, or so forth. Look at how beautiful that is. So when you come, you can get your fish, you can get your orchids, you can get your foliage plant. Isn't that beautiful, guys? I tell you, nature at its best in one place, so you can get your fish and your plants once you visit her nursery here in Sandy Bay in Clarendon. Her setup is just so simple, so nice, and just so calming. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Yes, it is. And she has an array of plants, and the majority of her plants are actually orchids, and they are just beautifully laid out. And I'm sure once you go there, and I think they are reasonably priced as well, so you can give her a call. We call her Marsha, and she is really trying to do something here. And of course, it is usually good to support our local persons and our small businesses. So guys, if you enjoyed this visit at Marsha's nursery, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And so you never miss another video, please subscribe to my channel, naman. And as we say in Jamaica, just follow back at me. This is the Orchid Duck, and I am growing orchids right here in Jamaica. Thank you so much for watching.